front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and selecting Photos or Library at the bottom. Either way, after finding your photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them. And to select multiple, use those type of dots at the top right corners. To keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to delete the rest, use bin icon located at the top, or if you are deleting from Photos section, on the bottom. Then hit Got It and tap on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!